Vanessa, you like Chris? Like in an intimate way, like him.
Hmm, yeah, I like him, but as a friend, you know? I'm not really looking for a relationship at the moment.
I understand. But Vanessa, I really feel bad the other night when Patsy come here.
That's okay. It's really no big deal. We can definitely move on from that.
Alright.
By the way, if I liked Chris in an intimate way, she would be in trouble.
Okay. So, about the dance program, we'll have to put it on hold.
Why? Did something happen?
No. Something come up and I have to deal with that.
Okay, I understand.
But if any changes, me make you know when you're gonna start.
Okay, so tell me about Kareem. Now that he's back, tell me about the night he came. I want to know everything.
Vanessa, I never know say him a come. Surprise me, you know? I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened. Me dey here, and I see one car park up on my gate. So I go outside. I'm still a wait for the person to come out, and no, him not come out. So I go to the window and knock it.
You knocked on the window? What if they didn't come to you? It could have been an Uber or InDrive or something.
Well, that's true, but I still chance it. It's when I see him come out, I have to ask him for pinch because I think me a dream again.
Again? So you've dreamt about him before?
Yeah, girl. My dream say me in him lap right as I lie down. But when I wake up, he never did it.
Girl, I know all about those kind of dreams. Trust me.
Girl, when him pinch me, I realize it real. I jump on him and hug him up. I couldn't wait any longer, so I draw him in the room. The night was fun.
Wow, I'm so happy for you guys.
So, how things on your side?
My side. Well, Daly came to see me.
What?
I know, shocker. I'm not even sure why he came to see me. You know, he had a lot to say, but at the same time, not much, if you know what I mean. Anyway, long story short, he tried to get back in my good graces and I just shut him down.
Really? So, what happened?
Girl, he came to see me at work and I was like, okay, let's talk. But he was trying to make it all about why he ghosted me. Like, he was giving me all of these excuses. It was so frustrating. He wanted me to get to see his perspective, but he wouldn't even understand mine. He even had the nerve to ask me about the island that I wanted to go to, as if he could buy my love. You know, I'm really starting to see just how narcissistic he is. Like, how dare he even think he could buy my love? Money isn't everything.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Not even. You know, he had the audacity to ask me if I was seeing someone just because he saw Christopher leaving the building.
Him see Chris?
Yeah, but he doesn't know Chris. Even though he did give me his description. But anyways, I told him that he was just describing half the population who comes into the building. It was just so rude. Like, where do you get off asking me that, you know?
You want a glass of wine? Because this is a lot. Yeah? Yeah.
Yes, I need it.
Maureen, you could have leave them, you know? Me would have washed them up.
Oh, I have on. I can't wash plate.
You know this not look good? You come on my house and wash up the dirty plate then. It don't look like my nasty.
So wait there. Eh? I have on. I call my daughter house and I see two little things in my sink and I decide to wash it.
I know you just be a mother. But please, make me wash my plate then.
Well, Toniann, it's not that serious. I see two little dirty plates in the sink and I wash it. What's the problem?
So what about Mr. Swaby? I hope you not move different around me.
Toniann, tell me the truth. May I try?
Maureen, you can't know, so we are come and find me now. So you have to keep up appearance.
Well, to tell you the truth, girl, I'm extra nice since Valentine's weekend.
So how that did go? You did all out for the whole weekend?
Well, I try.
So, you let off?
Look here, little girl. I'm not really comfortable to talk to you about this. Listen to me. What of my business? Feet stick. Big people business.
You know why you go so? I threw the shoes up on the other foot. Can you comfortably ask me certain questions, you know?
I mean, if I ask you, you know if I ask big people, them business. Right.
Me have to ask you, because me have to make sure say you stick to the plan.
Excuse me? I never know say that's a part of the plan.
Maureen, listen. If the man used to him regular sweet up, you have to continue.
Toniann, you know say we have to change the plan. Plan have to change. Because me never sign up for this. Me is not an agent.